So guys, have you ever wondered that what confidence looks like? Now you must be thinking, confidence looks like? Does confidence have a personality? Confidence doesn't have the personality, but it has a personality in different personalities of the people, right? Whenever we see any confident person, we always think that, oh my goodness, what rules or what sort of habits, what sort of things that this person is imbibing in his or personality to reflect as a confident person, to come out as a confident person. You must have thought over it, right? Because everyone wants to be a confident person, everyone wants to face any circumstances confidently and beautifully. We must be aware of these rules to be a confident person, but we must be ignoring those points, we must be ignoring those rules. So today I'm going to share with you all some of the rules that help you out to become a confident person, or that helps you out that how a confident person looks like, and these rules confident person actually follows. There might be a lot of rules, a lot of habits that a confident person has in his or personality, but today I have come up with 10 rules. There are 10 rules that today I have come up that a confident person actually possesses. And if you're interested in knowing those rules, then stay tuned, keep on watching, watch this video till the end, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that like button if you will like the video. And now let's get started. Okay, so the first thing, a confident person. Now, these are the things, these are the rules, are the observation of a confident person. Okay, and again, as I said, that there could be many rules, there could be many habits, many personality traits a confident person carries, but these are the essential ones. If you will follow these rules religiously in your life, then you will see definitely a massive change, grand change in your personality. So the first thing that a confident person never bothers about that what other person think of them. They know their worth, they know their true identity. They never compromise with their thoughts and emotions. They always ready to put forth their thoughts and emotion in front of the people. They never care about the people, that what people are going to think about them. They know this fact that their personality has a substantial background, has a substantial foundation. They are not worried about people's opinion about them. And this is what makes them a confident person. So if you want to be a confident person, kindly accept your identity. Be true to your identity, be true to your worth. Don't mix your opinions with someone else's opinion. Be true to your emotions. Be true to your identity. This is the first rule that they follow, and this is the reason they always come up as a confident person, because they are fearless. They do not worry about this fact that what the other person is going to think about them. Whatever they think, whatever feels true to them, they always come forward. And the second rule is interlinked with the first rule, and that is they believe in themselves. Yes, believe in yourself, believe in your abilities and the talents you people have. And this is the another rule the confident person follow, that they believe in their ability. They always work over their abilities to chisel them so that they can become a better version of themselves. They believe in their abilities. They give wings to their abilities so that the abilities can fly and touch the sky. So you should also believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, and chisel them out to touch the sky. Hence, never underestimate your abilities, your talents. Always work on them, always believe in them. So the third rule that they follow is they always say no to negative self-talk. Yes, you should not allow any sort of negativity in your mindset. You should never allow negative self-talk. And what does it mean? See guys, I completely agree that the life is the name of ups and downs. Okay, whenever we face ups in our life, means whenever we we have happiness in our life, how do we react? we celebrate our joy, we hang out, we feel happy, we feel rejuvenated. But at the same time, if we face misery, so how do we react? Some people stand with it beautifully, they overcome from those obstacles very beautifully, but some people lose their hope. They sit in the corner, they always think that why these miseries always come into their life. Some people react in such a manner, and this leads to negative self-talk, because continuously you are questioning your existence, continuously you are questioning your surroundings, that why this thing is happening to me only. Because life is the name of ups and downs. We have to face everything in our life. We have to face happiness, sadness, love, hatred, misery, every sort of emotion we have to face in our life. It's just about how beautifully you overcome from that obstacle, from that circumstances. And this is what a confident person always does. They do not allow any sort of negative self-talk to themselves. Instead of that, they always have this optimism in their life that no matter what happened in their life, they always come up beautifully, they always become resilient. So the confident person never runs after the problem, they always run after the solution. They always try to find out that what could be the best solution of it. So you should also run after the solution. You should never run after the problem, because this is the common mistake that we make. We always focus over the problem, that why this problem is occurring to me, why it is happening to me. We never focus over the solution, and this is the reason where we lose hope, and this is where we actually collapse our foundation of our inner personality. And this is how we shattered as a person, and this is what we are not supposed to do. So never allow negative self-talk to yourself. Instead of that, find out the solution of your problem. So the next rule a confident person follows is that they never resides in a comfort zone. They always push themselves to grow. They accept challenges of their lives. They never sit and relax. They always surround themselves with certain circumstances that push themselves to grow, to groom as a person, and to become a better version of themselves. And this should be the attitude of everyone. If we want to grow in our life, then we have to face the challenges. We have to face all sort of circumstances in our life. We should not have this complaining attitude towards our surrounding. Instead of that, we should accept our challenge, come out from our comfort zone, and face it fearlessly. And the next rule that they follow, and this is like one of my favorite, that they always say no to comparison. No comparison. You should compete with yourself instead of other people. This is the common mistake that people make in their lives, that they always compare themselves with others' lives. This is the common mistake. We always compare our progress with someone else's progress. We never focus over the progress within ourselves. And confident person never possesses this quality of comparison. Because if you're going to compare yourself with anyone else, then it is going to lead you to the insecurities, not loving yourself, destroying your true self, and feel nothing in this world. Because once we start comparing ourselves with the other people or with the surrounding, then we will think that, oh my goodness, I have done nothing in my life. You will think in that manner. No matter how much you have done in your life, but if you will compare your life with someone else's life, then definitely you are going to think in that manner only. Instead of that, you should always compete. If you want to compete, if you want to compare yourself with anyone, then that person resides within you only, and that is you. You should compete and compare yourself with yourself only. This is the best way, and this is the best way you can groom, you can grow, and this is the best way you can become a confident person. So never compares your result with someone else's result, because everyone's life is different. Every person has come on this earth for their particular journey, for their particular purpose. So how could your purpose can be correlated with someone else's purpose. So do not compare your life with anyone's life. This is the most common mistake people make. So guys, do not compare yourself with anyone. Please do not do this. So the next rule a confident person always follow is that they help people. Yes, they always help people. They never have this thought in their mindset that if they are going to help someone with their knowledge or experience, then they are going to lose something. Then they are going to lag behind somewhere. No, they never have this thought, because helping people or helping other always boost one's confidence. It is never going to take you down anywhere. They never have this attitude that, oh my goodness, I'm not going to help someone. Because when you help someone, indirectly you are increasing your capabilities, you are increasing your knowledge. And this is the most important rule that one should always imbibe in his or her personality. Because once you are helping people, it means you are helping them to grow. So you are indirectly helping someone to grow, and at the same time you are also growing. So it's like balanced thing. You are growing and you are helping someone else growing too. And the next rule that they follow is they are grateful people. They always being grateful to the people and to their surrounding, whomsoever helped them in their journey. They are always grateful to those people. They always have this thankfulness and gratefulness in their heart towards their surrounding. So we should be grateful to people who are helping us, who are inspiring us, who are providing their knowledge, who are helping us in any way. We should be grateful to every entity on this earth. So the next rule is that they are fearless. Fearless in the sense that they face any circumstances beautifully and confidently. They never have this attitude of losing hope, no matter what, how many bad experience or circumstances are coming into their life. They always face it beautifully. They never sit alone with a lost hope. They always face it with a great determination. So be fearless and be determined. So the next rule that they follow, that they never seek outside acknowledgement. If you are going to acknowledge me, then only I will think or I will feel that I'm a confident person. No, that would not be the case with a confident person. They never seek outside acknowledgement and appreciation. They know their worth. So you should never seek someone else's acknowledgement. If they will tell you, if the other people is going to tell you that you are good enough, you can do it, then only you will be able to do any task, then only you will be able to trust your abilities or capabilities. No, they never seek outside acknowledgement. And you should also follow this rule in your life, that know your worth. Never look out for someone's judgment and evaluation for your life. It doesn't mean that you cannot take advice from people. Definitely you can take advice from people, but it doesn't mean that you have to depend on that advice only. First you need to evaluate that advice, that suggestion, and you should think that whether this suggestion or this advice is up to my expectation or is has my real self. If that suggestion, that advice doesn't have your real self, then you can make your own decision. Okay, that is a different one. You are not supposed to be an arrogant person. Okay, and the most important rule that they follow in their life, that they always make it sure that they are surrounded by the people who believe in them. So you have to surround yourself with the people who believe in you, who believe in your abilities, who will tell you drawbacks constructively and always help you to prosper and to grow. Never surround yourself with the people who always find faults in you instead of appreciating the good things that you have. Never surround yourself with such people. Surround yourself with the people who will tell both the sides and at the same time help you to grow, inspire you to grow. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that these rules will help you out in any manner and help you out to become a confident person. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any other rules to be a confident person. You are mostly welcomed, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.